All right, guys, stop scrolling for a second because what you're about to see is not just another SUV. This is the all-new 2025 Nissan Patrol. And it's like Nissan said, why not mix raw power with private jet comfort? Seriously, the Patrol just leveled up in ways that'll make even luxury rivals sweat a little. So buckle up because in this video, we're doing a full walk around, front, sides, interior, and that bold rear end. And trust me, by the end, you'll understand why this might be one of the best premium SUVs of 2025. Let's start up front, because that's where this SUV makes its first impression. And wow, what an impression. The 2025 Patrol greets you with a massive, sculpted grille that instantly says presence. It's bold but not overdone, a perfect mix of elegance and confidence. The new LED headlights are razor sharp, almost like the eyes of a hawk scanning the road ahead. And when those DRLs light up, they give off that ultra-modern signature look that'll make people glance twice when you pull up at a signal. Down below, you've got a clean, athletic bumper with just the right amount of chrome to make it look expensive without shouting for attention. It's clear Nissan's design team wanted to keep the Patrol looking powerful, but now, it's power dressed in a tailored suit. Whether you're pulling up to a 5-star hotel or heading off-road, this front end tells everyone you're driving something special. Don't forget to subscribe to get reviews about different cars. Now, slide over to the sides, because this is where the 2025 Patrol really flexes its presence. The proportions are just right, tall, wide, and full of confidence. You can feel the SUV DNA here, but it's been refined. The strong shoulder line runs cleanly from the headlights all the way to the taillights, giving it that muscular stance even when it's standing still. Those massive alloy wheels, they're not just for show, they add to that ready-for-anything look. The chrome window surrounds and door handles give off pure luxury vibes, and the slightly flared arches hint that this thing is afraid to get dirty if you ever decide to take it off-road. The best part? The way the paint reflects light. It's almost mirror-like, especially in darker colors. You can tell Nissan's aiming directly at the high-end segment here, and they've nailed it. All right, let's step inside, because this is where the super luxury part really earns its name. The moment you open that door, it's like stepping into a first-class lounge. Plush leather seats, soft ambient lighting, and a layout that feels both futuristic and familiar. The materials are premium, stitched leather, polished accents, and that smooth, quiet cabin feel that makes you forget there's a V8 or whatever engine option you've got under the hood. The dashboard design is clean and driver-focused, with big, bright touchscreen that feels intuitive and uncluttered. No confusing menus, no button overload, just simple elegance. And those seats, oh, they're not just seats, they're thrones. Perfect cushioning, ventilated, and adjustable in ways that make long drives feel like a spa session. Even the second and third rows are ridiculously comfortable. Nissan clearly didn't forget the passengers. Add in the upgraded sound system, panoramic sunroof, and that whisper-quiet insulation, and you've got yourself an SUV that feels more like a rolling VIP suite. Every corner, every stitch feels intentional. It's comfort with character. Now move to the back, and Nissan clearly wanted to end the design on a high note. The taillights have a fresh new design, sleek, connected, and unmistakably premium. The chrome strip across the trunk adds a touch of class, while the overall stance feels wider and lower than before, giving it that road-hugging luxury look. The powered tailgate opens up to a surprisingly spacious cargo area, perfect for weekend trips or those long highway adventures. And of course, Nissan made sure the tailpipes, diffuser, and rear trim match the overall luxury vibe, clean, balanced, and modern. Standing behind it, you really get the sense that this SUV isn't trying too hard. It's just effortlessly impressive.